Hi everyone, I'm Erin. Welcome. If you're feeling like you write your great emails, but you don't get that many responses or you don't get the responses you were asking for, it could be because the information might not be that easy to find in your emails. Now, don't get me wrong, you're probably writing it very well, you're making it very easy to read, but here's the issue. Not everyone is reading. We don't all read emails now, we scan them. And so if we haven't written our emails or sort of constructed them in such a way that it's easy to find things by sort of reading visually, we might not get back the responses we want. So let's take a look and see why that is. A couple easy things we can do to make our emails more scannable and increase those responses. So first I'll ask you, which would you rather read? Here's the first one. I have to tell you, I'm not eager to read it just by the looks of it. It is important to. Now I'm even more uninterested in reading, and yet I will persist for the sake of the exercise. It is important to keep certain guidelines in mind when submitting your documentation. All applicants must ensure they have created their online profile. It is also required that applicants submit 2 forms of government ID, a completed emergency contact form, and a headshot and bio for our files. I hope you're still with me. It's about to get better. Would you rather read that or would you rather read this version? We ask all applicants to complete their online profile, submit the following: 2 forms of ID, emergency form, headshot and bio, and I've given them a hyperlink where to upload those. I would rather read the second version, clearly, right? It's easy to find things, it's easy to see them. I can see my steps I'm going to complete and I'm going to submit. I can see my list of items to submit. I can see everything I need without even necessarily having to go word by word. Now that is our goal because again, not everyone is reading. So here's an example of 3 things we can do to make our emails more scannable. And if you try this, I bet you'll get back more responses and fewer phone calls with questions. Okay, I am using headings and bullets in all my emails these days, anything over 1 paragraph. I'm also using white space and grouping. I'm putting things together that go together. It's just a tip for the brain unconsciously to realize, oh, these things are related because they're close together and these aren't. So let's look at all 3 of those in action. Easy to use, makes my email scannable. Below, I'll outline my thoughts on the session topics and provide some ideas on scheduling. Session topics. Our data shows the following topics are popular with our team: strategic writing, communicating as a leader. Scheduling. We hope to provide these sessions during Q1. Some dates we have available include January list, February list, March list. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Find ways to put headings. What you're doing is you're helping your reader navigate. You're helping them scan and see the thing, oh, that's the part I needed. Oh, that's the part that pertains to me. And see if this helps. One last example and we'll wrap up. Maybe this is a team email. You can do this in all kinds of professional situations. Hello, team. We are happy to offer a few new learning opportunities in the coming year. Please take a look at the options below and register following the listed steps. Coming opportunities. Next year, we'll offer learning opportunities like, list them, to register. To register, please, and I offer the steps. Easy to find things, easy to follow through, easy to take those actions. So the more scannable your email is, I bet you the more responses you're going to get back of just the kind you were looking for. Okay, if you'd like to see more of these types of email tricks, we have it all put together in a course now. You can check it out at courses.highvaluewriting.com. See you soon. Let me know how this went for you in the comments. Thank you.